Here's how to fix Rocket League not connected to Epic Online Services. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and click the three dots next to Rocket League. Select Manage, then click Verify. When it finishes, close the launcher. Open the system tray, right-click Epic Games, and exit. Next, right-click the date and time on taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are enabled. Then close the window. Search for Command Prompt in Search. Right-click it and run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, then press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Restart your computer. Open File Explorer, go to Documents, My Games, Rocket League, and Tag Game. Now, delete the cache folder, launch Rocket League again. That's all for this video. Thanks.